In-house Python development means building a team from scratch, ensuring better collaboration and control over the project. Direct dialogue between team members accelerates discussions and reduces miscommunication. You handpick developers, ensuring they align with your business principles and are capable of adjusting to changing company needs. Moreover, in-house teams uphold security and confidentiality, with studies showing they can save an average of $14 per record by quickly detecting and resolving breaches. However, in-house development comes with high costs, often 3 to 4 times more than outsourcing. The hiring process is a headache, with a competitive market making it difficult to find talented Python developers. Staff turnover is a threat, and the lack of immediate project infrastructure can slow down momentum. Plus, there's limited flexibility in times of crisis, making it hard to scale down when necessary. Outsourcing Python development can be cost-effective, offering quicker turnaround times and seamless scalability. You can leverage the expertise of a dedicated team without the need for extensive training, and time zone differences can work to your advantage, providing round-the-clock progress on your project. But outsourcing isn't without its challenges. Communication can be a significant barrier, with over 90% of companies citing it as a major issue. Quality control is at risk when you're not directly overseeing the project, and a lack of ownership from the outsourced company can lead to subpar results. Additionally, time zone differences, while sometimes beneficial, can also cause delays and confusion if not managed properly. In conclusion, whether to go with in-house or outsourced Python development depends on your specific needs, budget, and project requirements. Weighing the pros and cons of each approach is essential to making the best choice for your business.